Hi guys, it's Chris Martin with Convicted Creations, and I'm here today with Jon Rosenthal. We're gonna do some build your own burritos, and it's his recipe from which yard?
This is from when I was in Yuma. You take a bag of sour cream chips, crunch them up a little bit. I like to put the sausage in first just because it's easiest to mix.
And that's cut up with the ID card, just like everyone else.
I was always a fan of the mirror.
The mirror,
You take
yep.
the mirror and you know,
shave it down.
Well, you could always make your serrated edges.
Yeah,
so
with
you
your
could,
clippers.
Yeah,
absolutely.
you know.
I don't know what we're talking about.
So you take your meats and mix those up.
I think that's the funniest part about weekends when we're doing the cooking in there. You can tell who's making what by the sound.
Oh, 100%.
If you hear this, tamales are getting made, burritos
Soup's
are
being
getting
smashed.
made. Right. It sucks when it's like 6 in the morning though.
Yes.
What's the cook time on something like this?
When the water's boiling, I like to let it do for about 30, 40 minutes, just to get it nice and cooked and hot all the way through. Your beef stew last.
Yeah, this is what we call mystery meat. Not really because it's a mystery what meat's in there. It's a mystery if there's meat in there. I don't think there's meat in there at all.
I know there's potatoes.
It moved once, but I don't think that necessarily means it's meat.
So if you get it good and mixed, all in there. Down tight.
Childproof.
Put it in there.
Then you just want to tie this off.
Tie that up and throw it right in the cooler. Let that steam.
You want to make sure it's waterproof. That's the #1 key with this, because your burrito would be pretty sloppy.
You can always double bag it if you have thoughts about it.
And once we're done with that, we'll have a finished product. And a couple different ways that we served it. Buy tortillas on the store list. That's probably one of the best commodities I think on there, because you can take them in the microwave and cook them crispy like chips. I've seen them burrito style, enchilada style, or you just fill it and eat it right here. I know John's been dying to retry this bad boy. Salivating over the chance to eat this thing again, right? So a lot of times, once you roll them, we would just line them and then refill the tortilla bags with these, wrap them in the trash bag, drop them in the boiling water, and just cook them for 40 minutes. Let them get hot on the inside.
That's the closest I could find to a squeezed cheese.
It's like Taco Bell.
Right?
And for all you white guys out there.
Jalapenos.
Now you know where Snoop Dogg got his Taco Bell menu from.
I ate this for dinner last night. I made this for dinner last night.
I got Crohn's. I'm not even trying to breathe that shit right now. No, they are good though. Yeah, you remember that bad boy, huh? Mm-hmm. That was another episode of Convicted Creation. I appreciate you coming down and watch me and John burn our intestines out with some not real food. Come back and check us again on our next episode of Convicted Creations. And remember, haters make me famous.